feel like really small, like a little baby child standing here. Hey guys, it's Kristen. So today is Saturday, April 13th, and we're in the old house. We've got kayaks in our living room, and we've got Matt here. We're just grabbing a couple things and dumping some stuff at the recycle because we still technically rent here, so we can get rid of all of our like boxes and stuff at this old place. And then we're gonna go get Matt's new truck. So he's been like working this deal for about a week, maybe a little bit more. And so he finally gets to like pick it up today. So I think he's very excited because you've been driving the old car. He's been driving the Acura. Yep. I think he's sick of it. So let's go do that. He's so excited.
Yes, I am.
All right, so this is all the recycling. I don't know if you guys can see, there's so much recycle. Let's see if it's focusing. There's like so much back here. So instead of like putting it in our recycling garbage, this wouldn't even fit anyways. It's like an entire car. So we are just bringing it to the like complex dumpster and getting rid of it because we are still paying, so we can. Recycle dumpster.
Yes.
Sorry. His truck was really nice and clean, and then we went on the highway and got splattered by mud and stuff, but that's the truck. See if I can back up a little bit. All right, so now we're on our way to Boulder, which is very freaking far from where we started with this whole truck thing. I feel like we've been driving forever, but it's actually really pretty. We're like surrounded by mountains and everything, so I'll show you guys in a second. But now we're gonna go drop my car off because my tires are pretty much bald, and Matt knows someone that can get us like a cheaper rate for tires, so we're gonna go do that. And then I can't remember what else we have to do. But anyways, look what I see right now. We just stopped for something to eat in Boulder, and this is our backdrop. It's so pretty. All right, so it's been an hour or so, and we are at the old house. We're unpacking stuff still. We have so much stuff in here. There's really nothing in the house though, but like we're doing a garage sale, so all this stuff is gonna be garage sale stuff. So there's still quite a bit, but all the stuff that we have left is just in this garage, so it's not that bad because the whole house is empty. Hi, Matt.
Hi.
And Matt's so excited today because he got his truck. He's been telling everyone online's giving him shit because a lot of his friends are like Chevy people, and he's always had Chevys, and now he has a Ford, so they're all giving him crap.
Yeah, maybe deep down inside they're jealous.
I know. We'll see. Hopefully this one will be nicer to us because the Chevy's been really bad. So, yep. But now we have to go get Dylan, and he hasn't seen it yet. The girls haven't seen it, but he'll see it first. So hopefully I can get his reaction. I don't know. He'll probably be like, cool. Okay, so I'm trying to get into Matt's truck, and this is how short I am.
Oh, you do look really short in this. Your head's barely taller than the door or the window.
I feel like really small, like a little baby child standing here. Like,
there's a handle up here.
I fully have to extend my whole body
to get in.
Up here. Okay.
See, they make those handles for a reason.
Like, oh, it reminds me of like a monster truck. Like it's so, like I'm almost to the point of needing like a step.
It's not that tall.
It's pretty tall. Okay, let's go. We're trying to sneak up on Dylan, but I think he knows it's us.
No, he doesn't.
Does he know it's us? I don't know if I can see him.
No, he does not know it's us. He sees us.
No, he doesn't.
He doesn't know it's us.
Hi, Dylan. Look at our new ride. Isn't this awesome? We were trying to see how long we could stay like where you were and not without you recognizing us.
Yeah, I didn't recognize him, and like I just thought it was some like older guy.
You were like, then he finally realized he's like.
All right, so it's been a few hours. We're at the new house now. I can't show too much because I'm doing a house tour later. But we're getting ready to go out to dinner. We've been doing so much stuff with the house and just packing and blah, 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 all that stuff that we haven't had time just for us. So we're doing like a little mini like date night. Hello again. It is now Sunday the 14th. Feels like we're in the same place, but we actually came back. Dylan had to get a haircut. I have to go pick up a filing cabinet, and then we're grabbing some stuff. I'm so cold right now. This is all I have is a sweater, and I'm pretty sure it's like 40 degrees out. So Matt is making fun of me, but I need to get warm, and the only thing I can think of is either run in place or do jumping jacks. So that's what I'm gonna do. We're doing like this.
Is it going?
Yeah. I'm so cold. I feel like this is not weird. I'm getting exercise and I'm warming up.
Maybe you should step out into the nice sun that's outside.
There's no sun outside.
Yes, there is. What would be the thing That's on the side of my truck. I mean, I'm pretty sure it looks like it's a
call that
shadow.
sun? It's just bright. It's like light out. It's daytime. That's not sun that's gonna warm you up.
Then what's that dark thing that's creating from my truck? Shadow?
Go outside then and show them. There's no sun out there. It's just daylight. And it's working.
And there's a shadow right there.
Okay, but it's not warm out here.
Look how warm it is.
It's not warm. It's so freezing.
Start doing jumping jacks so all the neighbors can see. Are those like little mini ones?
Okay. It's a little better. My toes are still frozen.
Oh, alright.
Okay, bye.
What?
Matt got my car wet, and so I told him he can't just leave part of it sprayed, so now he's doing the whole thing. Yep! It's gonna look stupid having one side wet. It's gonna look dumb having one side wet.
Okay, well I was just saying once you go, you can go real fast, I'll probably try.
What are you doing? Is it hot outside? Let's go see what Lucy's doing. I can see her breathing. I don't know what she's doing. Lucy! 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 Well, hello. What are you doing? Are you just loving life right now?
Alrighty, so it's the next day. I forgot to vlog. We just did a bunch of errands. I had to get gas, stuff like that. Super boring. And then I lost track of time. So, that's it for today's vlog. Well, Saturday, Sunday, and today's vlog. So, I'll talk to you guys later. If you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. If you are new to my channel, don't forget to subscribe and then hit this bell so you're alerted when I upload a new video. I almost messed that up. I will talk to you later. Peace.